Hey everyone, welcome back to Manuals Plus. Today, we're elaborating the installation and usage of Govee H7050 RGBIC Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth outdoor ground lights. Let's get started. Inside the box, one string of ground lights, one manual, one service card. At a glance, press on or off, press and hold for over 10 seconds for reset. Installing your device. Installation steps. Insert the ground lights, power on. Pairing your device with the Govee Home app. Download the Govee Home app from the App Store in iOS devices or Google Play in Android devices. Turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and search for H7050. Tap the device icon and follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Specifications. Thanks for tuning in with Manuals Plus today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Catch you in the next video.